Hi guys, welcome to the channel Security Cars. Land Cruiser 2022 a legendary all-terrain fearless Toyota Land Cruiser GR Sport. Toyota Bob shared the videos of the 2022 Land Cruiser SUV on the channel. To the models on the popular YouTube videos platform, and I think of channel subscribe Japanese videos clip. The 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser underwent defect test and operated in Brighton second. During the video clip reference the volume of demand to buy the car, as reports indication that the waiting lists for the Land Cruiser are up to 12 months. Specification of Land Cruiser 2022. The Japanese company Toyota announced a new Land Cruiser 2022 in this latest generation with many features after bubbling on the latest platform of the brand, and Toyota revealed that the Land Cruiser 2022 was published and produced on the new tank platform with will support the new Trident and other models in the future. Don't like videos and subscribe channel and comment down. Thank you.